Hello students, how all of you are? Uh, Now today I am going to start new chapter, that is the optics. Optics is a part. Optics have the two parts: ray optics and wave optics. So here today we will start ray optics. Actually, you have the concept from class 10th. What is the ray? What do you mean by reflection? Laws of reflection. There are two types of the mirror. A spherical mirror that is there are two types: concave mirror, convex mirror. In a spherical mirror, you know about the pole, you know about the principal axis, you know about the principal focus, you know about the center of curvature, all things you know about the curvature, that is the aperture of the mirror, everything know about it. Why? What is concave mirror is called the converging mirror, convex mirror is called diverging mirror. Everything already you have gone through in class 10th. Law of reflection, there are two laws of reflection: incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie at the same point in a plane. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This concept already all of you have. Actually, here we will discuss about the mirror formula. Mirror formula. Ray diagram, about the ray diagram, you know that in concave mirror, a spherical mirror, different position is there. So already you have the concept. Here we are just discussing about mirror formula. So what is the mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. V, what is that? V, image distance, already you know, image distance. U, object distance. F, focal length. F is the focal length. Okay, so first of all, we are taking for real image in concave mirror. In concave mirror, 6 positions are there. So 5 positions that real image found only. 1 position when the object is placed between the P and F, then only virtual image is found. So see there, suppose that this is a concave mirror. This is the concave mirror, or this is the pole of the mirror. This is the principal focus, or this is the center of curvature. You know that PF and FC, that is the equal. PC is called radius of curvature, or PF is called focal length, and you know that focal length is half of radius of curvature. You know about the sign convention also. Suppose that we are taking one case is there. This is the object. AB is the object is there. That is placed beyond C. So first ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus. First ray parallel to the principal axis passing through the focus. Second ray passing through the center of curvature, again retrace the same path. A dash, B dash. This is the image. So here the image forms between F and C. here suppose that this is the M we have drawn here perpendicular MN हमने draw कर दिया, draw MN perpendicular to PF, or all the formula, mirror formula, lens formula, we will study about it also, and all that assumptions are there for short aperture, for short aperture and n tends to T, n जो है tends to T. So in such a case, now we are taking the two, this is the in triangle, or you can take triangle B dash F A dash and triangle M F N are similar. How it is similar? Because vertically opposite angle of this and this, that will be perpendicular, that is a perpendicular is there. In such a case, we apply the similar triangle theorem. The similar triangle theorem क्या है? A dash B dash by MN is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? F A dash by क्या हो जाएगा? NF. F A dash upon NF. And I told here see there AB जो है that is equal to MN or NF, we can approximately we can write PF, so that A dash B dash by AB is equal to F A dash by PF. This is the equation first. So what you have seen, first you have to take that image triangle and second one you have to take the object triangle. Next triangle again we are taking just this and this. In triangle B dash CA dash and triangle BCA are similar. Again both are क्या similar. तो similar होगा तो what will be A dash B dash by AB is equal to क्या हो जाएगा CA dash by CA. A dash B dash upon AB is equal to CA dash by CA. Okay, this is the equation second. Now take from equation first and second. From equation first and second, what will be? Left side equal, so the right side will be also equal. तो क्या हो जाएगा? FA dash by PF is equal to CA dash by C. Now apply sign convention. What are the sign convention? All the distance is measured from the pole of the mirror. All the distance is measured from the pole of the mirror. So देखो FA dash that have to shift from the pole. So we can write PA dash minus PA upon PA. CA dash what we can write? PC minus PA dash upon CA, PA minus PC. So PA dash minus PF. Now PA dash what is the image distance is there. Or this is the left side. So minus V will be there. PF. This is also left. That is the focal length. So that will be also minus F will be there. PF minus F is equal to PC. That is radius of curvature. PC is the radius of curvature. So that we can write minus twice F of PA dash, that is the image distance, so that will be minus V, PA minus U of PC again minus 2F. So what will be? See there minus V plus F upon minus F is equal to minus 2F plus V upon minus U plus 2F. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन तो कितना हो जाएगा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन VU minus 2VF VU minus 2vf minus uf plus 2f square is equal to 2f square minus vf. ओके, अब देखो 2f square and 2f square that will be cancelled, 2f square and 2f square that will be cancelled. तो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ देखो इधर कि हम लोग कर देते हैं कि vu माइनस uf इज इक्वल टू माइनस vf प्लस 2vf. ओके, अब यहां से देखो कि व्हाट vu माइनस uf इज इक्वल टू vf. ओके, अब क्या करते हैं यहां पर कि बोथ साइड डिवाइड करते हैं, डिवाइडिंग बाई uvf, बोथ साइड्स 1 by f minus 1 by v is equal to 1 by u, 1 by f 1 by u plus 1 by f. Okay, so 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by f. This is the mirror formula. Actually either you will derive for the real image or virtual image, the result will be the same. Okay, so see there, here PC is called, what is the PC? That is called the radius of curvature. PC क्या है? Radius of curvature. तो PC that is a minus r, or that you can tell minus 2f is there, and PF there, PF that is a focal length, that will be also minus f, because that is a ray moves in this direction, or we have to measure the distance from the pole, so that will in opposite direction, so that will be minus. And PA dash that is the image distance, PA dash that is the image distance, so that will be minus v. And PA is there, PA that is object distance, so that is minus. So this is the formula, mirror formula is there. So up to here, in next video we will discuss for virtual image also.